Alright, today we're going to bring a camera battery multifunction box. Alright, now we're going to take a look at it and see what else is included. So besides the battery case that's charging the batteries right now, so we could remove them and you can put them in place, and it's going to start giving you information about charging. Alright, so if you guys can see, it tells you display 100% when I hit it. So we're going to remove these, one here and the other one's here. So you could take your existing Canon battery that you currently have and put it in there. But today we're going to also include this one because it does come with the batteries too. So let's go ahead and include it in there. I want to show you that the batteries are compatible with it. So I'm going to turn it on, and there it is. Batteries working on the camera beautifully. We're going to turn it off. Now, the one thing I want to show you guys, that this box itself is not just a battery charging station, but there's a hidden compartment on this one. So besides that, it's a USB. You could charge it through USB type A or type C, and then we have a card reader right in the front. So if you have an SD card, get the SD card, take it out, and the SD card, there it is. Card goes in there. Plug this to your laptop. Alright, so right now, if you guys can see, we have a message that says battery boost is enabled on the system. Alright, so it's actually powering up my laptop too, in a way. It's actually charging the battery, and that is a phenomenal thing, that you could charge your batteries from here. You could charge others' devices too. All right, so we're gonna take a look and see if we can read the card. All right, we're gonna put the card in here, so it goes backwards like this. All right, and the card's coming on right now. We're gonna take a look, see if it comes on. The case could be closed, but now if you guys can see it, there's an indication, tells you SD card. So we're able to read our SD card through here. It's finding it, if you guys can see that. So let's open our SD card, and there's my SD card right there. Let's open a video or picture. I'm gonna open one, and then you can run it from the actual card itself. So those are my pictures that I have in the actual SD card. So this is a perfect boost for photographers, carrying an SD card reader and a charging station. Now, besides that, you could, like I said, you could charge devices. Plug this USB type A, type C, bring our phone, plug in our phone. You got to turn it on, so make sure you turn it on. There it is, charging. It's gonna be charging from these two batteries here. Very simple to charge devices. As you can see, it's charged my phone. Turn it off. Turn the power off here, or automatically will shut off. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.